I'm Akita, and I'm going to show you how to do a basic box crib. So you take two boards, place them down side by side. This is about a good distance. I'm going to show you why. You're always going to be able to adjust this as needed. But as you can see, we're going to need to move this a little bit over. So you want to create a stable matrix of boards. When you do this, this allows you to use this to do a lot more support for your cribbing. So as you can see, each point right here, all coming together, these points will hold a lot more weight using a basic box crib. And then you continue to build in that manner. You could certainly take some more steps to make this even more stable, but as a basic point, this will get you what you need to do in a hurry. Keep building. Oh. As you can see, you can continue to build this up higher. Not only will this give you more stability, but it'll allow you to do more things. All right, we're gonna keep on building. Let me make sure if you got that. Okay. So as you can see, I'm maintaining consistency with the points. So the points are all the way through and maintain consistency, and the edges are also similar. So there's a little bit of an edge to each end so that it doesn't fall off. But by moving it off close to the edge, you're gonna give it more stability. There you go. This is a basic box crib. All right, now I'm going to take this basic backboard and I'm going to show you how stable this is. Looks pretty good, huh? All right, now that we have our basic box crib, I'm going to show you a way to make it fully supported. So now we have our crib just as we showed before. Again, we're going to take those same steps as before with two more boards right along the ends, and then take additional boards and move them into the middle. So you have a flat surface completely through. There's no hole in here. This is a fully supported crib box. And as you can see, without a backboard, just with the wood, it can fully support my weight just as well.